Hi, everybody, and welcome to Social Work 502, Human Behavior in the Social Environment 2 class here in Widener University's MSW program. My name is Dr. Eileen McCabe-Melcher, and I am your professor this semester. I am very grateful to be here with you and to serve as a guide here in our online course. I am actually a graduate of Widener University myself. I graduated from this program in the year 2000 and had lots of wonderful experiences in the program, which I'm hoping that you're having as well. And I've created this video to help orient you to our online course. The most important thing that I want to establish is that I am a real live person here in the class and I care about your success. So if at any point in our class you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. My contact information is right here embedded in our Engage platform. And the best way to reach me first is to email me. And my email address is ajmccabe@mail.widener.edu. So please don't feel as if you ever have to struggle on your own. As I said before, I want you to be successful in the class, and I'm happy to help you with any questions or concerns that you may have related to our coursework. So the first thing that I recommend that you do is spend some time just navigating our online course here in Engage, just getting familiar with the layout. Highly recommend here that you review all of the icons here underneath the Getting Started course. So I recommend that you carefully peruse the syllabus as well as the course schedule. Now, one of the most important questions that you probably have is, when is the work due? So you want to remember that initial discussion posts are due on the Thursday of the assigned week by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Your response posts to classmates are due on the Sunday of the assigned week by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And all of the other assignments are due on Sunday of the assigned week at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The next thing that you want to make sure that you're looking at here is all of the different icons that are located underneath the Communications and Community tab here. So there's announcements, and you will see that I will post an announcement weekly. Each week I present you with a video very similar to this one, just going over some of the highlights, things that you want to pay attention to during the week, some tips and strategies for your success in our class. You'll also find here our Student Lounge, which is a great place for you guys to connect and interact with each other. I strongly encourage you to do that, to get to know other students during your time here at Widener. You'll also find the Ask the Instructor icon. It's a place where you can click on and ask me questions. Definitely encourage you to do that. I check that very frequently. However, if you're wanting a response answer, I highly encourage you to email me directly first, as you will likely get a more prompt response that way. You're welcome to use the Ask the Instructor icon, but I also ask that if you are going to pose a question here, try to make it a question that you think would be beneficial for other students to see, and please refrain from posing or posting any type of personal questions here. Any questions that may be related to a personal issue that you're having the assignment would be something that would be best emailed to me directly, and I'm happy to help you out with that. And we have major projects and assignments for this course. I'm going to just overview the projects and assignments this week. And on your week 1 video, I'll take a deeper dive and really explain the nuts and bolts and expectations of these major projects and assignments. So your major assignment that you have each week is at least one discussion forum post. And that's an opportunity for you to show off your skills and your knowledge that you gained from the readings as well as the videos, and be able to interact and really build on your classmates' ideas and things that they're bringing into the classroom. We also have a condition presentation, which is going to be due on the Sunday of week 6 in the course. There's also a really helpful condition presentation PowerPoint template. So that right there gives you all the tools that you need for success in that condition presentation, which I'll explain in depth in the week 1 video. Two of your other major assignments for our 502 course include clinical vignettes, part 1 and 2. Your first clinical vignette, part 1, is due Sunday of week 4, and your clinical vignette, part 2, is due Sunday of week 6. So as you can see here, our online course is a very quick journey together. We're together here for 7 weeks, and it's just chock full of all types of great information. So week 1, we're going to start off with a course introduction. We're also going to discuss ethics as well as the important social work concept of assessment. In week 2, we're going to discuss biography as assessment as well as substance-related disorders. Week 3, we're going to focus on trauma-related, stressor-related, and anxiety disorders. Week 4, we're going to spend our time together perusing depressive as well as bipolar disorders. During week 5 in our class, we're going to talk about schizophrenia spectrum disorders, other psychotic disorders, and the ever-present and all-important social work issues and concepts of transference and countertransference. So they're really important clinical issues that we're going to take a deep dive into on our week 5. During week 6, we're going to reassess Danny's biographical timeline, which we visit earlier in the course. And during week 7, we're going to review the neurodevelopmental, neurocognitive, personality, impulse control, as well as eating and gender disorders. So as you can see here, we have lots of exciting ground that we're going to cover here in our Social Work 502 class. I look forward to seeing you in our week 1 video where I'm going to go over some more nuts and bolts of the class as well as your week 1 work. So I look forward to working with you this semester, and as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. I am here to help you. Have a great day.